Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 3 of programming in HTML5, creating your first HTML web page. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock and then navigate to Finder. Go to the folder that says HTML5 in Documents, click on this, and now we see index.htm. Right click, open with text edit, and now we are able to increase the size of this. Command plus, which also increases the font size, and now we can program the website with less than, exclamation mark, doc type, lowercase HTML, and then on a new line, HTML, close that off with less than /HTML. Within this, we need the head tag and the body tag. And then within the head tag, we can have the title tag. And then within the body tag, we can insert a heading and paragraph. And then within the title tag, we can insert, this is my web page. Command save. And so we have created our first web page using the basic tags. The doc type HTML declaration defines the document. The HTML element is the root element of the page itself. The head element contains the meta information about the document. The title specifies the title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. H1 defines the heading, and the P tag is the paragraph. So now we can minimize, text edit. After saving this, go to Finder, HTML5, double click the index.html file, and this is what we see. This is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is my web page. Quit Safari, quit Finder, and quit text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.